Hello everyone. If you're looking for the best robot pool cleaner, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best robot pool cleaner options for this year, considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Stay tuned to find the best robot pool cleaner that matches your needs. Don't forget to check out the description box below for product links featuring the best deals available. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's dive right in and get started. The first on the list is the Hyperscuba X1 Pro Max. The Hyperscuba X1 Pro Max all-in-one pool cleaning robot is a powerful, intelligent solution for maintaining pristine pool conditions. It begins with advanced 360 degrees pool mapping and adaptive path technology. This allows the robot to scan, learn, and clean any pool shape, rectangle, freeform, or curved, with 100% coverage. Equipped with an aviation-inspired TVC engine and a massive 8,500 GPH suction power, it delivers precise movement and unstoppable cleaning force. The robot handles every surface: floors, walls, water lines, and platforms, making it a true all-in-one system for in-ground pools up to 3,200 square feet. The Scuba X1 Pro Max includes a dual jet system with 9 motors for deep and thorough cleaning. It also features an extra micromesh ultra-fine filter designed to trap the smallest particles like algae and dust, leaving your pool crystal clear. With 7 intelligent cleaning modes and smart horizontal scrubbing, it automatically adjusts to surface types and debris levels. The smart surface parking system allows the robot to surface and park near the edge, making it easy to lift without diving in. Users can manage cleaning modes, track logs, and perform OTA updates via the Hyper app for total control. However, one notable downside is that the unit is heavier than some other models, which might be a consideration for users with limited mobility. Still, the enhanced power and performance justify the added weight. Overall, the Hyperscuba X1 Pro Max is an advanced, feature-packed cleaning robot ideal for anyone seeking a reliable, high-tech pool maintenance solution. At number 2, we have the Wybot C2. The Wybot C2 cordless robotic pool cleaner is a high-performance cleaning solution designed for pools up to 2,152 square feet. Its advanced smart navigation system, paired with high-precision sensors, ensures full coverage, cleaning floors, walls, and water lines with ease. Whether it's a tile, concrete, vinyl, or fiberglass pool, the C2 delivers safe and thorough results. It features a powerful dual-brush motor system and a brushless pump capable of up to 3,592 GPH suction, allowing it to lift leaves, fine debris, and even algae efficiently. Equipped with a dual-layer ultra-fine filtration system, the C2 includes a 180-micron filter for large particles and a 10-micron net for finer debris. With a generous 3-liter filter capacity, it traps everything from sand to pollen while minimizing the need for frequent cleaning. The robot's superior climbing ability allows it to scrub vertical surfaces and navigate over drainage outlets easily. The included Wybot app offers full control with 7 cleaning modes, 6 path options, and the ability to schedule up to 4 cleaning sessions per week. Battery life is another strong point, offering up to 180 minutes of runtime in Eco mode and 60 minutes in Turbo mode with a quick 3-hour recharge time. Overall, the Wybot C2 is a smart, powerful, and efficient robotic cleaner that makes pool maintenance effortless and time-saving, an excellent investment for any pool owner. At number 3, we have the Gosvor Pivot. The Gosvor Pivot cordless robotic cleaner is a highly capable solution for in-ground pool owners looking for hassle-free maintenance. Designed for pools up to 1,100 square feet, this robotic cleaner delivers efficient coverage by cleaning not only the floor, but also walls and slopes. Its dual motor system enhances movement and suction, making it agile and effective against various debris such as leaves, sand, hair, and even finer particles. The cleaner intelligently navigates the pool using optimized cleaning paths, thanks to its advanced algorithm and responsive navigation system. One standout feature is the large capacity fine filter, which captures everything from fine dust to larger twigs, reducing the need for frequent cleaning. The self-parking technology brings convenience, allowing the cleaner to stop near the pool's wall when the battery runs low. Its lightweight plastic and polypropylene build, along with quick water release, make removal and transportation a breeze. The single-button operation keeps things user-friendly, so setup and use require no technical know-how. However, one slight downside is the charging time, which may feel slow compared to some faster charging alternatives. Overall, the Gosvor Pivot is a powerful and smart robotic pool cleaner that offers great performance and ease of use. It's an excellent investment for anyone seeking efficient automated cleaning with minimal manual effort. At number 4, we have the Dream Z1 Pro. The Dream Z1 Pro cordless robotic pool cleaner is a premium solution for pool owners seeking professional-grade performance. It boasts a powerful 8,000 GPH suction system and dual front and rear brushing setup with 4 rollers, which effectively remove leaves, sand, and even the most stubborn debris. Designed for both above-ground and in-ground pools, the Z1 Pro handles up to 2,160 square feet of area, thanks to a large battery offering over 180 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. Its intelligent Pool Sense technology adapts to all pool shapes and surfaces, while S-shaped cleaning paths and obstacle avoidance ensure complete, efficient coverage. One of the most innovative features is its horizontal waterline cleaning, enhanced by dual pump motors and aerodynamic wall climbing capability. The cleaner also comes with auto-docking functionality, intelligently returning to a designated spot for recharging or filter cleaning. The magnetic charging port allows quick power delivery, and through the Dream Home app, users can manage cleaning modes, view logs, set custom zones, and more. Additionally, the Li-Fi remote provides seamless control even underwater, ideal for precise manual operation in real time. Overall, the Dream Z1 Pro delivers exceptional value through powerful performance, smart controls, and advanced cleaning intelligence. It is an ideal choice for anyone wanting a spotless pool with minimal effort. Coming up next, we have the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus robotic pool cleaner offers a powerful solution for automated pool maintenance. Equipped with Wi-Fi technology, users can conveniently schedule and control cleaning cycles from anywhere using the app. Designed for both in-ground and above-ground pools up to 50 feet, this unit features smart navigation that scans and maps the pool to ensure complete coverage. With active brushing and strong suction, it effectively removes fine particles, leaves, and even larger debris like twigs and stones. The dual top-loading filter baskets are a standout feature, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. Simply lift, rinse, and reinsert. No mess, no complications. Its wall climbing ability ensures it reaches not just the floor, but also pool walls and water lines for a full spectrum clean. Lightweight and easy to handle, the Nautilus CC Plus delivers consistent performance and energy efficiency with its plug-and-play operation. It's compact but doesn't compromise on cleaning power, offering a deep clean with minimal effort. One minor downside is that it can get stuck on pool steps, which may require occasional manual intervention. Overall, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is an excellent choice for those seeking an effective and smart robotic pool cleaner that simplifies pool maintenance. The last one on our list is the BeatBot AquaSense 2 Ultra. The BeatBot AquaSense 2 Ultra is an advanced robotic pool cleaner crafted for complex and multi-level pool structures. It uses advanced AI mapping with 27 sensors, including an AI camera, infrared, and ultrasonic technology for ultra-precise navigation. This ensures full coverage and intelligent path optimization, even in pools with high platforms or intricate shapes. With 5-in-1 cleaning power, it tackles floors, walls, waterline, surface debris, and water clarity in one go. Dual-sided brushes and 6 guide wheels maximize surface cleaning performance, especially at edges and corners. The app interface allows users to view cleaning routes in real time and choose from 6 smart modes, including Standard, Pro, Eco, Area, and Multi-Zone. This pool cleaner is powered by a 4-core CPU and a robust 4-motor system, enabling it to adapt smoothly to any pool layout. Its high-capacity battery supports up to 4 hours of continuous cleaning, covering pools up to 3,230 square feet with ease. Additionally, the AquaSense 2 Ultra features AI Quick Mode, ideal for quick cleanups by targeting visible plant debris using S-patterns. The robot includes dual LED lights for effective nighttime cleaning and uses the smart surface parking and smart drain systems for simple retrieval and storage. Wireless charging adds further convenience, making it always ready when needed. Overall, the BeatBot AquaSense 2 Ultra combines intelligence, efficiency, and user-friendly features to deliver a seamless pool cleaning experience. With powerful AI capabilities, clear water clarifying technology, advanced obstacle detection, and an eco-safe clarifier, it ensures pools stay crystal clear with minimal effort. Highly recommended for anyone seeking a premium hands-free cleaning solution. You got it. So that's it for the best robot pool cleaner on the market for this year. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive notifications about our latest videos.